Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with good health. I, Zarna Patel, welcome you all in today's session. Yesterday we learned English, right? And what did we learn? Yes, we learned alphabet A to H. Right, children? Very good. So, today let us revise alphabet A to H with the help of flashcards. Alphabet A. A says A. A for air balloon. A for arrow. Alphabet B. B says B. B for bag. B for belt. Alphabet C. C says K. C for cat. C for coin. Alphabet D. D says D. D for dice. D for diamond. Alphabet E. E says A. E for eagle. E for earth. Alphabet F. F says F. F for fruits. F for fox. Alphabet G. G says G. G for ginger. G for guava. Alphabet H. H says H. H for hen. H for hat. Now, my children are very well aware with the sound and also can recognize pictures related to alphabet A to H, right? Now, let us do a fun activity related to alphabet A to H. Are you all excited? Yes, very good. Let us start the activity. Here we have puzzles of capital alphabet, small alphabet and pictures related to alphabet, right? So now let us start. And how we will do this activity, children? कैसे करेंगे हम ये activity? हम capital alphabet को small alphabet के साथ मैच करेंगे और उसके बाद वह अल्फ़ाबेट के रिलेटेड पिक्चर के साथ उसको मैच करेंगे. ठीक है बच्चों? तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्टिविटी. सो नाउ टेल मी, which alphabet is this? This is capital D. So we will put it over here. And where is small d? Is this small d? No. Is this small d? Yes. So let us match small d to capital D like this. Okay. Now we will find the related picture of alphabet D. D for fire? No. D for car? No. D for doll? Yes. So let us match it. Capital D, small d and D for doll. Our puzzle is complete. Now let us take one more alphabet. Which alphabet is this? This is capital C. Let us put it over here and let us find small c. कहाँ है small c? कहाँ गया? कहाँ गया? ये रहा. This is small c. So let us match it. with capital C, right? Very good. Now C for fire? No. C for car? Yes. So let us match it with C. Capital C, small c, and C for car. Now let us take another puzzle. Which alphabet is this? This is capital G. Where is small g? कहाँ है? ये रहा. Let us match it with capital G. Right? Capital G, small g. And G for fire? No. G for gift? Yes. So, let us match it. Capital G, small g, and G for gift. And let us complete the last puzzle. Now tell me, which alphabet is this? This is capital F. Where is small f? Here is small f. And F for fire. Capital F, small f, and F for fire. Our puzzle is complete, right? So we have completed all the puzzles like this. I hope my children have enjoyed the activity. Now, once again, I will show you how to write in order A to H in our notebook. Today's date is 30th July 2020. In order A to H. So first we will write alphabet A. Capital A, small a, right? Like this. Capital A, small a. Now we will write which alphabet will come after A? B. So let us write alphabet B. Capital B, like this, and small b from red line to second blue line. Small b. A, B. Now which alphabet will come? C. Let us write C, capital C. From red line to second blue line, we will write capital C like this. And how we will write small c, children? We will write between two blue lines. This is our small c. A, B, C. Now which alphabet will come? Yes, alphabet D. We will write capital D from red line to second blue line. Like this. Capital D. Now we will write small d. From first red line to second blue line. Like this. This is our small d. A, B, C, D. Now what comes after D? Alphabet E. So let us write capital E like this. And now we will write small e between two blue lines as I am showing you over here. Yes, this is small e. Which alphabet will come after E? Alphabet F. Let us write capital F. This is our capital F. Now let us write small f. You know how to write small f, right children? Yes, very good. This is our small f. Now which alphabet will come after F? Yes, that is alphabet G. like this. Wow, isn't it easy, kids? Yes, this is our capital G. Now we will write small g. To write small g, we will start from the first blue line like this and go down till second red line and make a curve. This is our small g. Now, which alphabet will come? E, F, G and H. Very good. Capital H. Small h like this. We have completed our in order A to H. Let us read it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Very good. Now we will draw picture as per the alphabet, right? So the first alphabet is B. ये कौन सा अल्फाबेट है बच्चों? B. कैपिटल B, स्मॉल b. तो let us draw. What we will draw? We will draw a balloon. तो let us draw a balloon. We will draw oval shape like this. And then we will draw a triangle below it and string of the balloon. B for balloon. Now which letter is this? यह कौन सा लेटर है बच्चों? ये है D. Alphabet D. D for door. We will draw door. To draw door, we will make a rectangle like this. And we will draw handle of the door. Make a circle and a slipping line like this. This is our door. D for door. This is F. So what we will draw? Which alphabet is this? This is alphabet F. So we will draw F for fish. You know how to draw fish, right children? तो हम पहले फिश ड्रॉ करेंगे. फिश ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम ऐसे क्रॉस का साइन बनाएंगे. फिर क्या करेंगे? पीछे से स्टैंडिंग लाइन से ऐसे जॉइन कर देंगे और यहाँ पर एक बड़ा सा सी लिखेंगे, राइट. फिर यहाँ पर एक कर्व लाइन बनाएंगे, एक आई बनाएंगे फिश की और स्माइली. आवर फिश इज रेडी. एफ फॉर फिश. एंड विच अल्फाबेट इज दिस? Yes, it is alphabet A. So what we will draw? We will draw an arrow, right? So first we will make one slanting line, another slanting line, and we will join both the slanting line like this, right? And above here we will make little bit long slanting line and we will make like this. This is our arrow. A for arrow. Which alphabet is this, children? Yes, this is E. E. E for what we will draw? We will draw an envelope. To draw an envelope, we will make standing line, one more standing line, and we will join both the standing line by drawing slipping line like this, right? Now we will make one slanting line, another slanting line, okay? And from this corner one slanting line will go up like this, and from the other corner one more slanting line will go up like this. This is our envelope. E for envelope. This is H. H for what we will draw? We will draw a hat. To draw a hat, we will make a reverse U curve like this. right? Then we will draw a sleeping line. Okay, now what we will do? We will draw a curve and sleeping line and one more curve like this. Okay, and what we will do? We will draw a big oval shape in here like this. This is our hat. H for hat. I hope you all have completed your exercise of drawing as per the alphabet like this. And we will also complete the exercise that I gave you yesterday. So what was the exercise? In the exercise, we have to draw as per the alphabet, right? Now, once again, I will show you how to write in order A to H in our notebook. For today, bye kids. I will see you soon. Till then, take care of yourself and keep smiling.